It's been a minute since I've been in front of a camera. It's boxes everywhere in here. I was back in front of the camera, bitch. Stop playing with me. What's up, YouTube? It's ɪṛᴜ and today I'm coming to you in the business way. Y'all like that? Y'all like that one? Yeah. As you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing an unboxing for my fall 2022 collection. I know it's past fall a little bit, but your girl had to really focus on what I wanted to drop, when I wanted to drop it, and y'all gonna get some more in the winter collection. Y'all just gotta wait on it. But by the time you guys see this video, all of the products should be on my website and up and running. I'm not gonna share no names right now because I didn't make them yet. Everything is going to come together exactly how it needs to. So yeah, stop playing with me. I have in total 7 boxes, and that's including the products themselves and the product setup. So I don't know if I want to show y'all the product setup stuff. I don't know if y'all really care about that stuff, but yeah, I am going to show y'all my bubble blower because let's just say the pictures they're going to be giving. I'm super excited just to be starting my business back up here. I just missed the excitement of having a business and being able to be in contact or communication with people that really want to get something or a product from me and just wanted to support me and go as hard as for me like I'm trying to go for myself and put on for myself. So yeah, so this collection I wanted to do sunglasses and lashes. So we have 2 pairs of lashes, and I think in total around 7 to 8 pairs of sunglasses. So yeah, first we have the lashes. Now I know to y'all they look like regular lashes, but watch this. So you can see it's kind of in a round circular case, but when you remove them you can see and it's crazy because it kind of matches the case, but it is looks kind of like a gray flutter, and it has a butterfly on it, a butterfly on the lash. So yeah, these are the strip girls are taking over for the lash extensions. I know y'all love the lash extensions, but baby, the strips, we're not coming to play with y'all. We're not coming to play with y'all. With the pink one, it's crazy because it's a little deeper in this one. I'm glad that I did this. That way I can just move them to how I wanted to move them. But I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, she got pink in hers. She's pink. And has a butterfly on it as well. So this is the butterfly collection. And I don't think y'all see what the vision was. So y'all see how the case is pink, okay? But not just the case is pink, the lashes are too. And y'all know the color of my theme, or the color of my business period, is pink and blue, just to give that whole bubbly, friendly, and just fun aesthetic. But yes, it matches. Both of them match. I'm gonna wisp them out before I send them out. And before I even take the product pictures, I'm just gonna go through all of the products just to make sure there's no defects or anything like that with them. But this is a cop, okay? This is a cop. And I'm probably gonna do another video where I kind of do a test with them on, just so y'all can see how they look on and see how, the girls are supposed to move with them on. So yeah, I think y'all are going to love that. But those are the lashes. Those are the 2 lashes that I got. These are both of the lashes that's supposed to be in the collection. No regular lashes. Nothing without color. Because yeah, y'all want some regular lashes, y'all can go somewhere else. But over here it's giving unique, fun girl. So yeah, super excited to see y'all rock them. Y'all gonna see my pictures too with my lashes on, baby, because we are getting back outside. but everything works out exactly how it needs to work out, and y'all are going to love it, or I hope y'all love it as much as I love it. Goddamn, so excited. It's really nervous about getting back into the flow of things. Like, I really had to take a break and really come together with myself to just really lock in with what I want to do and where I want to be. But yeah, like, y'all pray for me and my consistency, baby, because we need prayer. Okay, and so the fun part about the sunglasses is it's not just regular sunglasses. We have the blue string light glasses as well. So my work bays and my corporate baddies, like, baby, you're about to be looking good in front of that computer screen, babe. And it's crazy because it's similar to the candy glasses that used to be on my site. If you remember the candy glasses, you are real OG and you need to hit me up. But yes, and they got the little H on the side of it, and I really love this. And you could never go wrong with black. Never. Copy some MP. So it's a 4 different colorway for these pair of shades. If it's not pink, then why is it? What's the point? Next set of shade. And it's crazy because I always do a square shape. I got a thing for a square shape. But y'all tell me y'all favorite. Comment your favorite shape of sunglasses down below. I be wanting to know what y'all like and what y'all don't like. But you cannot tell me that this black shade with the yellow lenses is not always going to do it. Like, it's perfect for the season. It's perfect for the season. But yes, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let y'all see for yourselves what's going on over here. I need them now. Y'all know I play too much. Just stop acting like y'all know what's up with me. Blue light. Blue light, man. Let's just wear all. Y'all know glasses make everything. Like, glasses really bring it together. First of all, I've been wearing glasses since I was in kindergarten. Like, bitch really can't see her. It's not off-white, but it's giving. Like, oh, I wish we had the black with the yellow for this pair. Okay. Y'all support a bitch, cause I be like, God damn, spend a lot of goddamn money, you know, about to shop. God damn. I would do my little spread, but we have 4 different colorways for this shade. And we're back. All right, y'all. It's like 2-3 days later. I'm not gonna lie. But I was like, I need to come back, and I just need to finish this video off. I was confused about my glasses because they kind of look the same. Like, the vendor, the way that the pictures looked that the vendor sent me, it was kind of different than how they came, and y'all gonna see this in a minute. The collection I'm about to show you now is the rest of the blue light glasses, blue light lens glasses, and yeah, we're gonna get into those. Would y'all say this is pink or purple? Comment down below. I'm so excited to drop these for y'all. I'm really excited to just start my business back up, period. Like, I need the motion, and it just helped me really just to be myself. I get to be myself when I'm creating my content. I just get to express my creativity and how I want to do it, and how y'all want to see me do it through my content and just marketing my products. So I really can't wait. I hope y'all see the pair y'all like. So yeah, y'all shop with your girl. Shop MP for real, for real. I can't see, so I need to put my glasses back on. Y'all go shop for real. Support your girl. Alright, you've made it to the end of this video, so you're definitely a real one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment which one is your favorite pair. I want to see which ones y'all like. I need to see what type of glasses y'all like, what type of girls y'all are, for real, for real. I need to see what my girls like. Stay tuned for more mother freaking videos, because your girl is about to come hard. I'm back, and I'm back to mother stay. Tell these people stop playing with me. Like, girl, what? Alright, y'all. Bye.